Pig farmers that actually sell pigs for meat need to be sure that they're selling them at the right weight, whether it's for pork or bacon. And to do that, the best way is to have accurate weighing, and that means having an appropriate weigh scales that's calibrated properly. And then we can actually talk about weighing on a weekly basis. If you're sending pigs weekly, then they need to be weighed properly. Otherwise, the farmer's going to be penalized and perhaps not get the customer feedback that they want. So weighing to make sure that they're going at the right weight for slaughter is key. And the back fat scanning is part of that in addition to the weighing. If we're going to do back fat scanning, we need a weigh scales. And the weigh scales need to be positioned really appropriately. And the pig needs to be willing to come in, so it needs to be light and airy. The ground and the preparation needs to be well made. She's actually been moved quite easily into the crate, standing prepared to be weighed. And we can then now, once she's still, we need a still pig, and then we can read the weight off and of course record the weight. And don't forget her identification, which is 184. When it comes to marketing our finished pigs, we don't only weigh them to make sure they're the right weight, but we back fat scan them at a place called P2 at the last rib. And this measures the back fat. And the measurement is 12 millimeters, and that should be just right for the market. It's certainly not down to the very single figures where the meat would be perhaps too dry, and it gives enough of fat to actually give succulence in this particular Welsh pig.